Let me save you from one of the biggest beginner mistakes. Trends don't build businesses. They distract people from building one. Whether it's AI, automation, no code, crypto, whatever the trend is this year. Most beginners jump in and still don't make money. Let's talk about why. Every beginner goes through this phase. They think, if I learn this tool, I'll be ahead. If I use AI, it'll be easier. If I automate early, I'll scale faster. So they start spending weeks learning software, watching tutorials, testing tools. But here's the problem. Tools don't fix unclear businesses. They amplify them. If tools made people successful, the most technical people would all be rich. They're not.